If you are someone who wants to get into B2B sales and applying to many such job roles and not getting shortlisted for interviews, then one area that you should definitely look is your LinkedIn profile. We think that HR or recruiters just see a candidate's resume and based on that only they will be shortlisting or rejecting people. That is not completely true. Most companies also check your LinkedIn profile because it is a good way to check how professional you are and if you will fit into a sales profile or not. So it may be possible that due to your scrappy profile on LinkedIn, you are not getting enough job interviews. But don't worry, today this will change and this video is going to change that. I am going to walk you through a step-by-step plan to go from an average LinkedIn profile to make sure no recruiter rejects you after looking at your LinkedIn profile. Just a proper strategy that works whether you are a fresher or have a few years of experience. And you will see how this is going to help you in years to come. So let's start the video. Day one is when you fix your LinkedIn profile. Alright, day one, you have to make sure your LinkedIn profile is recruiter ready. This is where everything starts. First, upload a clean professional photo, not a selfie, not a party pic, just a normal smiling headshot with a plain background. Second, your headline. Don't write student at XYZ college or looking for a job. Instead, write something like aspiring B2B sales executive, strong communication, lead generation enthusiast. Or if you have some experience, put B2B sales specialist, 2+ years in SaaS sales or driving client growth. Next is your about section. Here's what you can say. Hi, I am an ambitious professional, passionate about B2B sales and client relationships. With hands-on experience in B2B sales, lead generation and cold outreach, I am actively looking to contribute to a growth-oriented organization where I can learn, perform, and grow. Make it personal, make it professional, just be real. Then update your experience and education. If you don't have any work experience yet, no problem. Add your internships, projects, or any freelance work. Then LinkedIn has license and certifications section, and you can add right B2B sales certificates there, like certificates from HubSpot or LinkedIn on B2B sales. Last, add skills like business development, CRM, communication, negotiation, B2B sales, lead generation, cold calling. These keywords help LinkedIn's algorithm recommend your profile to various recruiters. Now, day two onwards, you will start building your network. Now that your profile looks sharp, let's grow your network. This is very important. On day two, search for HR managers, sales heads, business development managers, and founders who are actually hiring in your industry. Use filters like location, company size, and industry. Now send them a personalized connection request. Don't just click on connect and leave it. Write a small message like this. Hi, first name. I am looking to build my career in B2B sales and came across your profile. I would love to connect and learn from your experience. Send 30 to 50 quality connection requests per day. Trust me, within 24 to 48 hours, you will see people accepting your request. And within a few weeks, you will be connected to a good number of right profiles. Now, day three onwards, start posting on LinkedIn. Okay, listen carefully because this part is a game changer. Just having a profile is not enough. You have to show recruiters that you are serious about your career and have some exposure or expertise on B2B sales. Start posting simple, short content about what you are learning in B2B sales, your experience with communication, lead generation, or sales tools. Questions like, what makes a good B2B salesperson succeed? Here's an example of your first post. I have been learning about B2B sales for the past 2 weeks, and one thing I have understood is that patience is key. Following up professionally can turn a no into a yes. Looking forward to putting this into practice soon. Use hashtags like B2B sales, business development, sales career, job search. Also, comment on other people's posts, especially HRs and sales managers. This builds visibility and people start noticing your name. Now, day 4 onwards, start applying for jobs. Finally, it's time to apply to job postings, but don't apply blindly. Here's what you do. In step 1, find companies hiring B2B sales roles and then apply to right jobs. Go to the LinkedIn jobs section, search for B2B sales, business development executive, inside sales, SDR, and set the filter to last 3 days. Entry level or 1 to 3 years, your preferred location. Step 2 is where you apply to the particular job, then find the recruiter, HR, or sales head of that company. And then in step 3, you send them a connection request along with message like this. Hi, first name. I saw the job opening in sales and I already applied. Here also I am attaching my resume and would love to interact with you regarding this role. Send connection requests and messages every day for the jobs you are applying for. Now day 5 onwards, you need to do smart follow-ups. After 2-3 days, send a polite follow-ups like, hi name, just wanted to follow up on my previous message regarding your sales openings. Would love to connect or be considered for this job role. But make sure you don't do unnecessary follow-ups and give them sufficient time to assess your candidature. That's it. You have now done what 90% of job seekers don't do, and this is what gets you results. So let's recap. Day 1, when you fix your LinkedIn profile. Day 2 onwards, start building your network with right people. Day 3 onwards, start posting on LinkedIn and start engaging with others' posts. Day 4 onwards, start applying to jobs and outreach to hiring people. And then day 5 onwards, do consistent follow-ups. If you stay consistent with this plan for even 7 to 10 days, you will see replies, interview calls, and real job leads coming in. Trust the process. If you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos like this. This is Shashikant Barnwal, helping you grow in B2B sales and beyond. See you in the next video. Let's grow together.